In last 19 months, our life is moving in a different direction. From lifestyle to habits, priorities to relationship, work culture to purchase behavior, everything is different. Some of us are living with our family for a long time. Some are living in distance. Many research indicates that mental gaps and issues are being created with the people we really love and care about. On the other hand, COVID-19 crisis made it really tougher to protect and care the skins of poor people, especially children who are living in the slums or in the rural area of Bangladesh who are actually in hunger of our care. To solve both issues and create a bridge, our first big idea is to organize a campaign #ICareAboutYou around the International Care Day 2022, which is the 18th February of the year. During this campaign time, people can visit Vaseline website and order a very special gift box to the people they care about and can write a customized message to express their feelings, which will be printed or written in the box. The box will also carry the hashtag #ICareAboutYou with a subheading in Bangla, please নিজের যত্ন নিও. And against every 10 order, Unilever will donate one skincare product to the people who actually need to be cared in the slums or in the rural area of Bangladesh. This idea will carry the motto that we will care about them the way you care about your beloved one.
Since the inception of COVID-19, in the last 1.5 years, there have been many changes in our people's life. We are familiar with the concept of new normal things like work from home or online-based education system. With the blessing of digital technologies, people are now able to attend online-based fitness training session by staying at home and are also building the communities. But very few people are getting these opportunities and access to get into the online-based training sessions because these are way more expensive to afford. To solve this problem, our second big idea is #ICareAboutMe around the International Yoga Day, which is on 21st of June. This is a unique health and fitness building program where we will connect our consumers with some top-notch fitness or yoga trainers through online platform. For this, consumer need to buy any Vaseline product from their nearest shop, scan the QR code and also fill up the form. Then just take a selfie with the product by focusing on the campaign name written there and post it on their social media platform by captioning their fitness journey story with the hashtag #ICareAboutMe. Top 50 participants will get 1 year free subscription to start their fitness journey under the guidance of well-known fitness or yoga trainer who will help them to build some healthy habit and also enhance their body strength and lifestyle management for their better productivity. Rest of the participants will get 10% discount via their email or contact number. This campaign will make some positive changes in our consumers' life by helping them to get fitter and healthier. We know that physical strength uplifts your mental strength. Not only we heal your skin, but also we want you to heal your soul.
From a survey of IFC done on 306 companies of Bangladesh, it has come up that 77% of these companies don't have any daycare center for their employees, 61% of them have no plan of developing one, and 9% are completely unaware of a daycare center. This is a huge problem for the working mothers more than the fathers. At present, there are 1.86 crore women working in various industries across the country. The government-owned daycare centers to support this large group are not sufficient. On the other hand, there are more than 1,000 private-owned daycare centers only in the capital. But these daycare centers are on an edge of collapse. Because of the unprecedented health crisis of COVID-19, parents are reluctant to send their children at these daycare centers. Most of these daycare centers are owned and operated by entrepreneur women. Our third big idea, Surakkito Shoishob, will solve this emerging crisis of both parties. Vaseline will launch an app called Surakkito Shoishob. Through this app, parents will be able to find the right daycare center for their children. The app will show them price range, location, contact information and all necessary information needed. The daycare centers registered on this app will need to meet a set of requirements to be approved by Vaseline. For example, a daycare center certificate provided by the government. Through this initiative, Vaseline will act as an intermediary between the two parties and make a meaningful impact in the life of the consumers. Thank you.